Razor. What products do you use to help grow long natural hair and retain length? I heard you. I know finding the right products can be frustrating, and for most of us it's trial and error. This year I've went through some amazing products and some products I wasn't too impressed by. In this video I'll be sharing the products that held your girl down, especially this year. Products I'll most likely repurchased or have repurchased. Of course, I'll post the links in the description box or tag the products in this video. Did you guys know that you can shop from videos now? I just recently found that out. But hold up, come a little closer. What works for me may not necessarily work for you, but you can try them out and let me know if they do or they don't. I am not forcing you to use what I use. I'm just sharing my favorites. And hopefully some of them can become products that you like or one of your favorites as well. One more thing, the products you use doesn't necessarily grow your hair. They supplement or they help you to take better care of your hair so that you can retain length, so that you can continue growing long hair. Cool, we can start now. Let's start off with Prepooing, and I have to slow my lips down anytime I say that word. Prepoo. Okay, I don't usually do this, but if there was a circumstance that I would have to prepoo, this is the product I'm going to use. So it's the African Pride Prepoo shampoo. I've done about 2 videos on my channel about this, maybe 3. I knew that it was good the first time I used it. I'm never usually in a predicament where I have to detangle my hair outside of the shower versus detangling my hair in the shower like I usually do. But sometimes when I do wear my hair out, like today, y'all like it, it's best for me to detangle outside of the shower with a product like this, or I'll just have to take my time and use a regular conditioner like some of you already do. This is my secondary purchase, so I'm probably gonna buy the big jar on Amazon like some of you were telling me about. This is a recent fave and it's definitely a product that I would repurchase. Unfortunately, I'm out of my top 3 shampoos and I haven't repurchased any because I still have some shampoos, not some. I have a lot of products that I need to go through. Let me scoot over to show you guys the products. It's the Redken Bonding Shampoo, Acidic Bonding Concentrate. Yes, this. I love this. I really do. It just cleanses my hair really well and it actually feels like it adds some strength back into my hair. This shampoo is quality and it makes my hair feel so luxurious. Shampoos is one of my favorite categories of products. I don't know about y'all, but it's definitely a product that I will repurchase. Next, we have a shampoo that's quite similar and it's from the Olaplex line. So it's the Olaplex number 4 maintenance shampoo. This gives me the same vibes as the Redken one. The Olaplex one is the real big dog, the original. I love both of them and these are by far 2 of my most favorite shampoos because they just give me everything that I need from a shampoo. They cleanse my hair. They give me extra, doesn't leave my hair too stripped, and it adds a little bit of strengthening properties. But next in line is this shampoo by Mielle, Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo. I feel like Mielle makes the most moisturizing shampoos ever. Any shampoo that I've used from Mielle, it's a vibe. It doesn't strip my hair, cleanses my hair and leaves my hair moisturized and makes my hair easier to condition after. It's just one of my favorite shampoos ever. I was so sad when I was finishing it. This one is really good. Lastly, for shampoo is the Mane and Tail and Body Shampoo. I put this in here because, first of all, look at the size. It cleanses my hair, doesn't strip my hair too much, and it's just a pretty decent shampoo. And this is something that is easily accessible for me on my island and I can just go and pick this up anywhere and it does the job, so we're gonna rock with it, right? And it's also affordable. The Redken, Olaplex, they're more on the higher end versus the other shampoos that I spoke about. Conditioners are backup products for me, but I do have some faves that I've used throughout the year. And if you guys are realizing, some of these products are the products that I mentioned in my last product video. I have the TRESemmé Keratin Repair Bond Plex conditioner, this right here. I bought a 3-pack of this. This is something I am going to repurchase. Some days I just have time to shampoo and condition. Gives the moisture, of course, helps detangling, of course. It's just not moisturizing and it just doesn't make your hair soft. It adds back in a little bit of strength, not as much strength as you would get from a deep conditioner, of course. And you see the size, 20 ounces. As I told you guys before, I don't know what some brands think I'm gonna gonna do with 6 ounces of conditioner or 8 ounces. I'm gonna need y'all to size up. I love the fact that these conditioners come in bigger sizes because I really need that. Next, for conditioner, we have Aussie. Not necessarily this one. This is the Apricot one. I was just trying to see if I would like it or not, but I prefer the original without any of the extras. This shampoo is Hemp shampoo. Lord God, I hope I didn't call other product shampoos. This helps with detangling, and this just adds back some quick moisture. Granted, this does have silicone in it. This isn't a product that I would use often, but when I really need to detangle my hair, like say for instance I'm gonna skip the pre-poo process and I want to detangle my hair before I shampoo and all of that, it just gets the hair together, detangles, moisturizes, prevents me from ripping my hair out. And if I do want to do a quick wash, I may use that as well. We're filming, babe. Let me call you back.
Look at you. Man.
Now I'm gonna be blushing. Hold on. This is so awkward. Sorry, give me a minute. Let's move on to one of my favorite categories, and let me just say this, don't take this category too serious, but I do have a favorite deep conditioner of the year. However, I have a whole deep conditioner playlist on my channel, and I love trying out deep conditioners. If you really want to see if you should get a deep conditioner or not, go to the playlist and just watch the deep conditioners that I reviewed before and see if it's something that you would like. But I recently used a deep conditioner. It can actually be used as a conditioner as well, or a co-wash conditioner, or a pre-poo conditioner, or a leave-in. This is a multi-purpose conditioner that I spoke about recently on my channel, and I fell in love with it using it as a deep conditioner. The only way I've used it so far. SKALA, Brazil, Maracuja, not about to read the rest, but this. I'm just gonna insert the card of the video where I used it, but let me tell you guys about it real quick. Moisturizing, hydrating, helps with detangling, adds some shine, affordable. You see the big size? Nah, you didn't see it. Let me show you again. Y'all see this big size? This is almost as big as my head. Leave-in conditioners are products I don't use as often. Well, recently I would use a leave-in conditioner when I'm feeling very lazy and I don't want to style my hair, but I want to put in some kind of product in my hair until I'm ready to style. It may be the next day or a couple days after. I know a leave-in conditioner would leave my hair conditioned and moisturized. This one right here by Blue Magic, their olive oil leave-in conditioner. This one has been my favorite for a while now. I have repurchased it and they did send me some more. It just leaves my hair so moisturized and sealed. I can just put that leave-in conditioner in my hair and my hair will be moisturized for up to almost a week. Let's move on to the products that I moisturize my hair with, or products that I use in my moisturizing routine. First, we have the tgin Buttercream Moisturizer, and it's done. I repurchased this about 3-4 times this year, to be honest. This is another product that I can just put in my hair and not style it. It would mold my hair a little bit more than the leave-in conditioner. But this cream, what is it? Yeah, this. It has a strengthening ingredient in here as well, so I have to be careful how often I use this. You don't want too much strength as well as you don't want too much moisture. This is really moisturizing. It also defines and it just leaves my hair so hydrated and shiny as well. This is the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. If your hair is really dry and you need a pick-me-up one time, this product right here, this butter is so moisturizing. But this is really good for braids and twists to retain moisture in your hair. Love this. Next, we have the big dog. This is my Blue Magic Originals Indian Hemp Grease. I spoke about a moisturizer. I had a butter. Now I have a grease. We have options, okay? We like different things. We like what we like, and it's okay if you don't like it, but I like it. I love using this for my twist, my braids. This isn't a moisturizer, but I like adding it on top of a moisturizing product sometimes, and I really focus on the length of my hair and my ends mostly to keep that moisture in my hair. Anytime I use this product, my hair stays moisturized for weeks. This isn't like any other grease. You have to use it sparingly because it's very thick. You guys need to definitely watch my hair routine videos. This, really love. This is the Extreme Gel. It's done, and I had to use a different gel for my wash and go today. Gels, actually. I need to repurchase this ASAP, but this is the only gel that keeps my hair sleek. Because I didn't get to use any on the front for this piece, and it's just not staying down with the other gels that I use. You guys have to remember, I live in a very humid and hot environment, so some products just won't work. Because of that, this gel just I also use it for my wash and goes because it just keeps the curls together and not too soft. It gives a nice hold. A little too hard sometimes, but then, you know, just add other products to help loosen it a little bit. I use it a lot for my sleek styles and to also bring the curls out. The next gel is by Mielle, their Moisture RX Ginger collection as well. So this is their moisturizing styling gel. This gel is really good under a thicker gel. Combo with these leaves my hair very moisturized and the curls are still defined. The curls just look so juicy when I use that combo. It's like moisturizer in a gel form for me. That's how I feel about it. Here's Blow Dry Spray by Kenra. It's really good. This is my second time using it and it gets the hair very straight and soft. Recently, oil is something that I don't usually do. I may or may not use an oil, but I don't have a favorite. I do need to start back my scalp massages. I usually do those with oil. Maybe I might start back using oils and massaging my scalp. I haven't really done that this year, so I can't come on here and be like, guys, this is my favorite oil, because I don't have any. As you can see, it's getting dark, so we gotta wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful. Hopefully you'll try some of these products out and hopefully they work for you, or you can also share some of your favorite products that you've used this year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.